The situation in the Holy Land has escalated significantly in the last couple of days, starting from the evening of Thursday to Friday, with the start of the war between the State of Israel and the Islamic Republic of Iran. We were obliged to suspend the operations of Caritas Gerusalemme on Friday, prioritizing the safety of our teams and colleagues working all over the Holy Land. The staff were keen to resume the operations, and as a relief and humanitarian church organization, we want to be the first respondents even in this escalation. So the health care team has resumed the operations, whether in the West Bank, in our Taipei Medical Center, or in Gaza, providing life-saving services to the community at large. Also in Jerusalem, we have returned to work on Monday with the teams, although of the alerts and the warnings and the ongoing sirens and the missiles all over the country. We have to run to the protected areas when missiles are being bombarded towards the Holy Land, prioritizing also the safety of the staff. Our teams also has resumed distributing hot meals to the vulnerable, mostly elderly, with the engagement of our wonderful youth volunteers who support our services in the West Bank. In Gaza, actually, the situation has not improved at all. People are really starving. They are searching for food on daily basis, and there is no clean water. People are diseased. They have stomach ache. You see children walking in barefoot, standing over hills of solid waste, searching for waste food just to survive. So situation is really catastrophic, and the need to support the community need to be provided immediately. With the closed and the blockade over the humanitarian corridor, we can't bring in life-saving supplies to Gaza, but our teams are stubborn and they are trying to provide at least healthcare services with the means and resources that we have. The situation in the church compounds, whether it's the Latin compound, the Holy Family, or the St. Porphyrius Orthodox compound, also deteriorating. The food is depleting over there. The people are getting sick, unfortunately, over there, and we don't have means to bring in any supplies currently to the community also over there. In the West Bank, there's a lot of closures. There is more than 878 checkpoints, gates, and closures all over the West Bank. I had the opportunity last Wednesday and Thursday to visit the Jenin Governorate and saw firsthand the change on the ground. You see new huge security fences installed around villages, creating enclaves and hindering people from movement. So access and movement are becoming really very difficult. So there is no proper trade or labor movement within the Palestinian territories, and this has deteriorated much the economy from an agricultural perspective, from a trade perspective. Not to forget also that there is no pilgrimages are coming to the Holy Land, and Bethlehem is really still suffering. The community are depending highly on their sources of income from the pilgrimages. So we try at Caritas Gerusalemme to support these communities, whether by providing them with cash assistance, whether by supporting their children with tuition fees, or providing medicine or medical care to the community at large. Yes, it's devastating, but we still in Caritas have hope. This hope is an inner hope coming from our strong faith. And with your prayers, with your continuous messages of support and solidarity, we see people with love in their hearts and the people who want to support us. And this really uplifts us and continue to replant hope in us and continue our mission in the Holy Land. Thank you.